Hi everyone, and welcome to the Character Kit 24 reveal video. If you'd like your character kit to remain a surprise, stop watching now. First we have the Peanuts tote bag. So you can see it comes all wrapped up there, and you open it to reveal a handy relationship chart that shows you the complicated web of love and longing among the Peanuts gang. In a Tokyo Pen Shop character kit first, this Peanuts passion projection is presented on a sturdy, understated tote bag. Carry your belongings while your favorite pals carry a torch for each other, and remember all the hijinks that their heartfelt hankerings have caused. This is the Snoopy Slider case set. He's brainy, he's brawny, he's sophisticated, and he's coordinated, at least in his own mind. See Snoopy as he sees himself on these compact and classily styled slide zip cases. The 2-pack shows Snoopy in the outfield as a bubblegum chewing baseball player, as well as a smug professional Snoopy, complete with briefcase. Rounding out this parade of Peanuts is a double set of sticky notes featuring Lucy and Snoopy. Keep the pair together, or separate along the perforations to send them their separate ways. Each mini dispenser contains 30 tiny sheets, so mark your pages accordingly. Here's the Mickey and Minnie Coleto barrel. The Coleto is our most popular custom multi-pen system. Barrels and refills are sold separately to let you customize and build the perfect pen for you. This kit offers a Coleto exclusive Mickey and Minnie 4-color Coleto barrel, celebrating the joy of Disney's most iconic cartoon couple. Rock the cap open on its hinge to prepare the barrel to be loaded and eventually reloaded with refills. Next we have the Mickey Mouse Coleto refills. These are the perfect refills for your Mickey and Minnie Coleto barrel. Slide these refills point first into the top of your Coleto barrel, and the world's most famous ears will serve as the lever you push to extend the tip of your choosing. When these refills run out, you can refill with any Coleto refill you like. If you're careful, you can even reuse the limited edition toppers. Here's a short demonstration of how to load Coleto ink cartridges into your Coleto barrel. Next we have the Snow White Bic Japan pen. In the story of Snow White, the most central color is actually red. Snow White's rose-red lips, the brilliant red of the poisoned apple, and in the original German fairy tale, 3 drops of blood drawn from a thorn on the pure white snow. Remember the classic with this beautiful red-barreled pen featuring Snow White and the evil crone who tempts her with fruit. Finally, we have Flower the Skunk mini notepad. Bambi is the protagonist of the Disney classic bearing his name, no surprise there. You may not have known that Thumper the rabbit is the deuteragonist of the story, second in importance to the narrative. Our friend and inspiration Flower is the tritagonist of the story. But don't worry, Flower, even though you're third in narrative importance, you're first in our book. To all of you, be as true to yourself and as open-hearted as Flower, and we'll try to do the same. Finally, I want to give you an update on Petra the Border Collie, who is enjoying the snow here in Iowa, at least as long as it lasts.